Hello friends, artist Resin Sudha here. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. So once again today I am going to share a beautiful creation from live streams. In one of my live stream a few weeks ago I made a simple seashell vase. So I took purple and turquoise dye inks for this project. I wanted some colors too in my vase. I divided the resin in two equal batches. In one cup I mixed purple dye ink, 2 drops, and in the other one drop of turquoise. Then I added seashells in the mold randomly until it was full. Then I poured the resin one by one each color. After this, I allowed it to cure for 24 hours. The next day it was time to demold. So let's demold and see how it turned out. Oh wow, it looked too beautiful. After adding 2 drops of purple, it became quite dark color and I thought I ruined another project again. But look at this, friends. Wow, I'm so in love with this one. I thought seashells won't be seen through because of dark purple, but look at it. How beautiful it is. So, tell me in the comments if you like it or not. I have captured its beauty in dark and with lights on. It looks amazing either ways. Thank you so much once again for supporting my premiere. We will meet again next week. Until then, have a great day everyone. Bye.